Here's how you can make
tacos
from Peppa Pig.
Slice some onions.
Peppa likes mashing the avocado.
Now we mix in other ingredients and add a very special squeeze of lime.
Yay!
Peppa likes her taco with lots of guacamole.
Okay, now I'm no expert on Mexican food, but I'm assuming a taco doesn't just have guacamole. There has to be other ingredients into it, right? But I think Peppa Pig needs to watch Better Call Saul and see how Lalo makes his tacos. Because I made his tacos and oof, that carne asada flank steak with the 4-pepper salsa. Now that was a taco. And I had to add salt to the guacamole because again, that was just, it needed something else. It needed just at least a bit of seasoning. Come on, we need some protein in here at least. Like I'm not too into veggie tacos. I'm not too into fish tacos. I need some protein. I need some chicken. I need some beef. Oh, so I got some leftover beef kofta and I'll add this into the taco along with some hot sauce. And let's see how this is. Okay, now that's much better. Oof, it was just missing some of that fat and protein. I can't really rate, actually, okay, I'll rate Peppa Pig's taco, if you can even call it that, 4.1 out of 10. And then I would give this one, the one I just made, it's a 7.4 out of 10. It's not bad.
George likes his taco empty.